Good morning to my dear 3rd standard students. As we have done with the explanation part of our lesson 2 poem, A Letter to Grown-ups, and we have written our new words in the English classwork, today I am dealing with the question answers. Students, please write very neatly in your English classwork. Okay, come on students, let's see the question answers today. Students, you need to write the date first. Date is important. And on the pink line, please write lesson 2 and write a letter to grown-ups. Then you write question answers. Okay. Compulsory every time while you're writing, just write the heading first. Okay. A letter to grown-ups, lesson 2 and question answers. And date is also compulsory. Okay. Now the first question is, who is the poet of the poem A Letter to Grown-ups? Answer is Stevie Ann Wild is the poet of the poem. Okay, Stevie Ann Wild is the poet of the poem. You need to remember the authors and poets' names also. Make an habit, please. Okay, the second one is, why do we need trees and flowers? Answer, we need trees to make fresh air and flowers to feed the bees. The third question, what gives off fumes? Answer, the constant use of vehicles gives off fumes. We already read in this explanation part, you have listened to it, right? We should not cut down the trees, right? Why? Because they just provide fresh air and flowers to feed the bees. The same thing is the second answer. So what will be giving the fumes? Which things will let out so many fumes? The constant use of vehicles gives off fumes. So this is a simple explanation of the 3 answers. Don't worry about the textbook question answers. Please just write these one. Okay. The fourth question is, what do the fumes do? Now I'm asking, what do the fumes do? The answer is, the fumes travel far and heat up the atmosphere. The fumes travel far and heat up the atmosphere. Now the fifth one is, if grown-ups help, then who will be happy every day? Answer, all the children of the world will be happy every day if grown-ups help to stop polluting the earth. This is all about our poem, right? We are asking grown-ups to stop polluting the earth. Help to stop polluting the earth. So the children are asking. So that's the reason the answer is, all the children of the world will be happy every day if grown-ups help to stop polluting the earth. Students, today's task of the day is write question answers in your English classwork very neatly, please, without spelling mistakes. That is the first thing to be concentrated. Concentrate on the capital letters and concentrate on the sentences, full stops, and please write within 2 lines. Okay, so after writing, please post the pic to me. Hope you have understood the pronunciation of the question answers. Write it very neatly and forward it to me. Thank you very much.